Greetings fellow YouTubers and welcome to this tutorial of a flesh golem pre-primed with grey sear from the can. I know, starting with Darko flesh, as you can see. Yes, I know you're not supposed to put spray can primers on Reaper models, but I did anyway, and it adhered quite well. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with the results. So the Darko flesh is going on as it is a flesh golem, and the majority of surface area on this model is his flesh. So yeah, I did take a moment to, when I did the priming though, I kind of did a little bit of white grey or grey white from Vallejo as well, just on top of certain areas where light might catch it, and I felt I wanted further highlighting. But that's just me. You can use white, whatever, if you want to do that. So, I mean, if you want to use the contrast paints on a Reaper model, you're going to have to prime it. Right, next is black grey. These are for his pants or trousers. Just pop that on. I didn't want it to be black, as in jet black, kind of like a grey black or black grey, whichever way round you use it. Apologies for the filthy palette behind me. Clearly I'd spilt some paint on that before. Not very professional, I know. But yeah, this is a joy to paint this model. It reminded me a little bit of painting an abomination from Zombicide. That's kind of the vibe I got from it. But he's got very good detail, excellent muscle definition, and the detail just pops right out at you. It's a really lovely model to paint, and I totally enjoyed it. I found the trousers took me a little longer than I anticipated, because he had a couple of tears in them where the flesh showed through, so I was having to be a little bit careful at an early stage with that, but that's okay. Just wanted to get that base colour blocked in there, and already at this stage he's looking pretty good. Like I say, the majority of the model is the flesh, so it's easy to make a model like that look good fairly early on. Longbeard grey is next. Bit of light dry brushing or over brushing. I sometimes refer to it as high brushing. Yeah, just over the top of it, really. Not just his trousers, but on parts of his skin too. Certain areas that I wanted to pop more. Longbeard grey has long been my favourite for that reason. So just, yeah, an excellent dry brush. Alright, Carroburg Crimson is next. I just put it on his mouth and a couple of areas to define musculature. Just in a couple of areas. Just wanted, like, I don't know, not a veiny look, but I don't know, it just gave it, I feel it gave it more of a fleshy, tony look about it. Okay, so now we're going to work on the texture of the base. I'm going with Astro Granite, and it's always good to get the basing done. It gives you a more of a focus, I find, when I'm doing a model such as this. Sometimes I will do the base before the end. It just gives me that focal point. You do it whatever way you want. So the Astro Granite's on there. That's good. Next we go with Ushabti Bone. Now this is for the rope around his trousers or pants that's holding them up. Zoomed in a bit there to just kind of show you that. The way I typically do this is with Ushabti Bone or some type of bone colour. We've gone with Jack Bone by P3, or any really real off-white like this, sort of beigey off-white colour. That really breaks up the two. And Greg's Earthshade next from Citadel, of course, and using this to go over the Ushabti Bone, give extra definition to the lines that are actually on there. And there is enough detail on this model, and it really does work. Null Oil next, and that is of course for the base. And it doesn't take long. You know you're almost there when you get to this stage. Of course, you've got to wait for them to dry, but no big deal. Longbeard Grey again, just coming back with that. Now of course this will be to dry brush over the top of the base, the null oil. Just raises any what might be rocks or rubble. Not that I was going with the debris option on the Astro Granite, but it just gives a nice sort of textured look to it. And there he is, really. That's my flesh golem, and yeah, he's perfect for my D&D or Zombicide games. Well, thanks very much for watching. Remember, all brushes lead to what? I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.